Hello, and welcome to Innowera's Process Runner DB Help series. In this video, we will discuss the connectivity with major databases supported by Process Runner DB. Let's begin by launching Process Runner DB. In the View section of the Home ribbon, let's select Manage Data Source to configure the data source settings. At the top, the Select button can be used to select a data source from the data source list. The New button will create a new data source configuration. The Edit button allows for existing data source configurations to be modified or changed. Delete will delete the selected data source configuration. Connect and Test will test the connection of the selected data source configuration. Export will export the selected configuration as an Innowera database configuration file, while Import will import an Innowera database configuration file to the data source list. Let's click the New button to create a new data source configuration. In the Data Source Details window, we must enter our data source connection information. First, we need to select from a data source. Oracle, MySQL, Sybase, DB2, and SAP HANA. The connection information will look different depending on which data source is selected. Let's select MS SQL Server for this example. Next, let's give the connection a unique name, such as SQL_PRDB_example. We also need to enter the database server name along with the database name, and then select Authentication Mode. Let's use SQL Server Authentication and enter our username and password below. We also have the option to set the connection timeout by selecting the checkbox. Once we have completed entering our connection information, we can click Test Connection to verify that the database will successfully connect. Finally, let's click OK and select the new data source configuration to connect to it. This concludes our explanation of managing data sources within Process Runner DB. In future videos, we will utilize these data sources to upload and download data between databases and SAP. Want to learn more about simplifying SAP with Innowera technologies? Visit us at innowera.com. Thank you for watching.